Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to verify the password for your user. First, I want to give you a small example of why you might want to use this. So basically, if someone is in their profile page and wants to update their email, for example, so when they update their email, it could be some other user trying to change their email. So what you could add there is a password verification so that when they try to update the email, they'll be given a pop-up that will be telling them to verify their password first, so that when they submit the email change request, you can then verify if the password they have submitted is the same password that this account uses. So this is why you would use a password verification to recheck if your user is the same user or not. So to do this, it's really simple. All you need to do is first add the Clerk client, and then I'm just going to need password. Okay, so then this has to be asynchronous. This needs to be an asynchronous function. Await Clerk client dot users, and then it's dot verify password. Okay, and all you need to do is do two things. One, give this the user ID. Okay, and I'm gonna fetch this manually. And the second thing is you need the password. So password. Okay, and since these are named the same, I can just add password. Okay, so I'm gonna fetch this user's ID. Okay, I'm gonna put it in manually, and I've already added the password. Okay, that you can see here. Now when I submit the request, what's going to happen is I will get a bunch of information. So I will add a dot then, and it's a function. I'll add a dot catch as well. Do response dot status dot JSON. Okay, I'll just do error, and this will be a 404, and you can change this to whatever code you might require. I think 401 is the not permissions one. So I'm just gonna copy the same thing, paste it here, but do 200 for this, and add a message. Password verified, and I will do data, and I will do verified. It's going to be true, and I'm going to add the data just so we can see. You can add this or not, this is up to you, but this is just to see what we get from Clerk itself. So I'm going to save this. Okay, and when I submit this, you will see that we get a verify true, the message, and then data, which is also saying verify true. Okay, so this is what you get back from Clerk. I just want to show you this, and I want to show you that you can add your own, but you can just add the Clerk defined verified as well. Like, I can just do this, and I can remove this. Okay, now to show you that if you don't send the right password, what you will get. you will get this. Okay, you'll get all of this information, and that is because of the catch. Okay, and if I just do this, you will see this. Okay, so this is how this works. Okay, just do this, and now I will send this. There we go. Okay, so this is how you can clean this up. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.